So this is the first numerical on model studies. Today's first numerical. Calculate the diameter, the B-bit output of second turbine for the following data, assuming the efficiency and gate openings to be same. Okay. Now the power obtained from model is 25 kilowatts. Next one, the diameter dm equals to 0.5 meters, 0.5 meters. Next, the speed of the turbine nm equals to 1000 rpm, 1000 rpm. Next, head is 20 meters, hm equals to 20 meters. So if you are familiar with the previous class problems, if you have practiced the previous class problems thoroughly, I'm sure that you will not face any difficulty in solving these problems. These are very basic problems, okay? Provided you should have practiced the previous class problems. 200 rpm. And the next one is HP equals to 160 meters. 160 meters. I hope you are copied. Yes, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So I can find total. Okay. Fine. Okay, right. Is the board is visible clearly? Board is visible now? Yes, the board
Yes,
is.
sir. Yes, yes, sir.
Now please look at here. So we want to get the value of power obtained from the prototype and the diameter of the prototype. Okay. As we know the value of HM and HP, the head for both are known, as well as we know the speed. So in order to get the value of diameter, that is prototype diameter, we can use the pi 2 term. We can use the pi 2 term. So here we know that the head coefficient pi 2 is given by GH divided by n square d square. So as we know that both model and prototype are geometrically similar, so therefore I can use the formula as like this: GHM divided by nm square dm square equal to GHP divided by np square dp square, np square dp square. So here GG will get cancelled. You know the values of speed, you know the values of HM and HP, get the value of dp here. Here the calculation part is important. Here
7.07 meter.
Yes, what is the value of dp?
7.07 meter.
Okay, I want the response from each and every one. I want the responses from each and every one. So I can find only 15 participants. What about the other students? Okay, I want the answers, please. Mr. Suryakant, Amar, Basvakirana, Basvaraj, Ketan Joshi, MD Adil, Mehsan Bin, Omar, Mudassir, Paramdeep, Stanley, Vijayalakshmi, Vinod Kumar. Total 15 participants. Okay, fine. Now I want the value for DP. Mr. Paramdeep, Mudassir, tell me the value of DP here. Make it fast. Screen is visible now. Yes, screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the value of dp here? 7.071 meters. Unless you calculate on your own, attending the classes is just a waste of time, wastage of time. There is no meaning of just copying the things which is written on the board. Unless you do the calculation, the things will not become clear. Is that clear, all of you? So do calculate yourself and give the responses. Except a few guys, nobody is responding. Well, in the next bit, we need to get the value of power P. So how to get the value of power P? Please respond. How to get the value
Pi
of
3 term.
Pi 3.
Pi 3 term.
using the pi 3 term.
Pi.
So we know that pi 3 is given by the power coefficient pi 3 is given by P divided by rho n cube d to the power 5. Rho n cube d to the power 5. So therefore Pm divided by rho nm cube dm to the power 5 equals to Pp divided by rho np cube dp to the power 5. So rho will get cancelled because we are using the incompressible fluids. So for incompressible fluid, rho remains constant. So the only unknown is Pp. So get the value of Pp here. Do the calculation and get the answer.
Sir, that dp value is correct, sir.
Yeah, dp is correct.
I have got
How much you are getting? How much you are getting?
0.701.
How much you are getting?
I am getting the 0.701, sir.
0.701. But
Yeah.
here I am 1.7 meters. Just check it once again. Even I might.
7.07 is correct, sir.
Yes.
7.07 is correct, sir.
7.071 is correct. Okay. So kindly check your answer. Those who got 0.7071, please check your answer. Okay. So what is the power obtained? P. What is the power obtained P here? Let it be wrong, don't worry. You have to attempt the solution. You have to attempt for the solution. These are very basic and simple problems. What is the value of power?
113 kilowatts.
So 113 kilowatt. Just check it. Because already 25, so PM is already in kilowatts. Okay. Just check your answer. Check your answer.
113051.68 watts.
Okay. 1130.
The board is not visible.
Board is not visible. Now?
Visible, sir.
Okay. 1130.
51.68 watts. Sorry.
51.3 kilowatts. Now, if we divide the complete value by 1000, you will get Pv equals to, so 123. So 113.05. This is in terms of megawatts. Either you can write in kilowatts or megawatts, both are same. Just I have divided by 1000 here. Here is 0 point. Okay. So here 113 point. So am I clear with this numerical? If you have any doubt, you can ask. Shall we go for the next problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, students. Shall we go for the next problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Take the next problem here. So can you see the screen here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now write down the problem number 12 as well as 13. Make it fast. Let me know once you are completed. Is it completed, all of you? Yes, students, once you completed, please respond. Because in the today's class, we are going to focus on the question paper problems as well. The previous year question paper problems. Mr. Fahad, don't put any mark on the screen. So if you are writing anything on the screen, it will be viewed very seriously. So keep it in mind. Is it completed, all of you?
Done, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So both problem number 12 as well as 13. Okay. Is it completed, all of you? Okay. Now let us read the problem number 12. A turbine model working under the head of 2 meters runs at a speed of 170 RPM and having the diameter of 1 meter. The prototype develops 22 megawatts under the head of 250 meters with the specific speed of 100. Calculate the scale ratio, the power developed by the model. Okay. So let us write down the given data. See here carefully. Let us write down the given data. Okay. The turbine having model working under the head of working under the head of 2 meters. So first one is model, second one is prototype. So first he has given the turbine model working under the head of 2 meters. So working head for model is given Nm equals to 2 meters. Nm equals to 2 meters. And runs at a speed of 170 RPM. Nm equals to 170 RPM. Next, and having the diameter of 1 meter. dm equals to 1 meter. dm equals to 1 meter. A prototype turbine develops 22 megawatts. Prototype develops pp equals to 22 megawatts. You can write it in terms of kilowatts as well. Okay, so 22,000 kilowatts. Both are same, right? When working under the head of 250 meters, working head for prototype is 250 meters, 250 meters, with a specific speed of 100. The specific speed is given as NST equals to 100. Remember guys, if the model and prototype are geometrically similar, then the value of specific speed remains constant for both model as well as prototype. I repeat, if the two machines are geometrically similar, then the value of specific speed for both model as well as prototype, they are same. For this, the specific speed is 100, and for prototype also, the specific speed is 100. Is that clear, all of you? Okay. Now here, what we need to calculate here? The first one is scale ratio. To be calculated, first with the scale ratio, which is given by dm by dt. dm by dt. The next one is V with power developed by the prototype. That is pp equals to how much? Now you tell me which pi term you are going to use here. In order to get the first bit, the value for
I2, sir.
which pi term I have to use now?
I2, sir.
I2, sir.
See here, we know the value of HM, we know the value of HP. Both the values of H are known. Okay? But here, we don't know the value of diameter. So here, only one diameter is known, and the second diameter is we don't know. We don't know the second value of diameter. Okay? And what about the speed? We don't know the value of speed of this prototype as well. But we know the value of specific speed. By using this value of specific speed, we can obtain the speed of prototype. Is that clear? So listen here carefully. We know that the specific speed of turbine is given by, I want to get the value for the prototype. So NP root PP divided by h to the power 5 by 4. Can I write this formula? NST equals to NP root PP divided by h to the power 5 by 4. HP to the power 5 by 4. Now you know the value of all the values you know except the value of NP. So get the value of NP here. So here NST is 100 equals to NP is unknown. Keep it as is. Root of what is the value of PP? Again and again I am repeating. While using the formula for specific speed, you are supposed to take the power in terms of kilowatts. You are supposed to take the power in terms of kilowatts only, right? So that is 22,000 divided by HP. What is the value of HP here? 250 raised to 5 by 4. 250 raised to 5 by 4. Now get the value of NP here. Get the value of NP. The speed of
670.2.
How much it is?
670.21 RPM.
670.21. Mr. Mohit, Mr. Mehasan, Mastan. What about others?
Same, sir. 670.21.
671.
Okay, 670.21 RPM. Very good. 670.21. This is in RPM. Okay. But I want the value for the scale ratio, that is dm by dt. Listen here. How to get the value? Now we know that pi 2 equals to. We know that the head coefficient pi 2 equals to GH divided by n square d square. GH divided by n square d square. You know the value of speed. You know the value of H, and we need to get the value of the scale ratio, that is dm by dp, we want to calculate. Now, GHM equals to Nm square dm square is equals to GHP divided by Np square dp square. GG will get cancelled. Do the cross multiplication here. So I want the ratio dm by dp. So let me write here dm by dp whole square, dm by dp whole square is equals to hm by hp, hm by hp into dm by dp np by nm square, np by nm square. So dm by dp whole square equals to hm by hp into np by nm whole square. So I want the ratio dm by dp here. You know all the values. So take the square root here and get the value of required scale ratio.
0.352, sir.
How much it is?
0.352.
Okay, very good. 0.352. So dm by dp ratio is 0.3526. 0.3526. This is the value for scale ratio. This is the value for scale ratio. Lastly, I want the value of power obtained. At last, I want the value for power obtained from the model. The power obtained from prototype, I guess. You know, the power obtained from
Model, sir.
the model is. Sorry, make a correction there. We want to calculate the power obtained from the model. Use the phi term. I'll not solve. Just you have to solve and tell me the answer. Phi 3 equals to P divided by rho n cube d to the power 5. Rho n cube d to the power 5 for model and prototype. Pm divided by rho n cube dm to the power 5 equals to Pp divided by rho n cube dp to the power 5. Rho will get cancelled. Just do the cross multiplication. Pm equals to Pp into Nm by Np whole cube into dm by dt to the power 5. So get the value of Pm in terms of kilowatts. So if you are using Pp in terms of kilowatts, definitely Pm will also be in terms of kilowatts. Yes, I want the response.
1.97 kilowatts, sir.
How much it is?
1.97 kilowatts.
1.97 kilowatts. Okay, approximately the same. 1.97 kilowatts.
Sir, 2 kilowatts.
1.97 or 2, no problem. 1.97 kilowatts. So this is the value for PM, the power obtained from the model. Is it completed, all of you? Shall we go for the next problem?
No, sir. For 2 minutes.
Make it fast. Let me know once you have completed. You can find the same video lecture on YouTube immediately after the completion of lecture. Okay. So we are running out of time. Only 10 minutes are left. Okay. So kindly make it fast.
Yes, sir.
The next numerical I'll give as a homework. Okay. So have you copied the next problem? All of you?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Have you copied
Yes,
the
sir.
next problem?
Yes, sir.
So you take that as a homework. Okay. So you take this problem as a homework, problem number 13. Can you see this problem number 13? Have you copied the problem number 13? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just take it as a homework. And if you find anywhere any difficulties, you can put your comments in the comment box. So write down the problem number 14 and 15. So write down just problem number 14 and 15, or else you can take the screenshot. So problem number 13 is the easier one. Okay. So if you have solved the previous class numericals, then I'm sure that you will not face any difficulty in solving the problem number 13. Now write down problem number 14, which is an important one. Write down the problem number 14. So tell me once you have completed the same. A single stage centrifugal pump works under a head of 30 meters, running at 2000 RPM, supplies 3 meter cube per second, and having the impeller diameter of 300 mm. Calculate first bit the number of stages in multi-stage pump, second bit diameter of each impeller required to pump 6 meter cube per second of water to the height of 220 meters when running at 1500 RPM. This is an important problem. Is it completed? Please respond.
No, sir.
Is it completed? Please respond.
What
Shall I
did you
stop the
submit,
screen
sir?
sharing here? Okay, fine.
No, sir.
See here, we have two turbines here. The first one is single stage centrifugal pump, and the second one is the multi-stage centrifugal pump. Just observe the cursor here carefully. We have the two types of centrifugal pumps here. First one is single stage centrifugal pump and multi-stage centrifugal pump. We have to assume both single stage and multi-stage centrifugal pumps as geometrically similar machines, and we have to calculate the required unknowns. Is that clear? Okay? I'm sorry. Let me stop the screen sharing here. Okay. Now the first one is single stage centrifugal pump. and second one is multi-stage centrifugal pump. First one is single stage centrifugal pump. Centrifugal pump. Let me take it as one. And second one is multi-stage centrifugal pump. Multi-stage centrifugal pump. Let me take it as 2. Let me take it as 2. It may not be possible to complete this problem within the stipulated time, right? Because we are left with hardly 5 minutes, 4.5 minutes. Okay, so this will be continued in the next session. I mean, after the end of this session, re-log in with the same credentials and you can access the lecture. Is that clear, all of you? Till then, let me write the data. The single stage centrifugal pump works against a head of 30 meters. Single stage. Let me take it as H1. Instead of a model and prototype, let me take it as 1 and 2. Okay? Because here he has given the single stage centrifugal pump and the multi-stage centrifugal pump. So for respective pumps, let me take the suffix as 1 and 2. Okay? So H1 is 30 meters. H1 is 30 meters. Next, running at a speed of 2000 RPM. N1 equals to 2000 RPM. The speed of single stage centrifugal pump supplies 3 metric cube per second. Q1 equals to 3 metric cube per second. 3 metric cube per seconds. Okay. So having the impeller diameter of 300 mm, impeller diameter of 300 mm, it is advised to take in meters. The linear dimension in meters, 1 to 3, that is 0.3 in terms of meters. Okay. Next, what is to be calculated here? Calculate the number of stages in multi-stage pump. To be calculated, first way, number of stages in multi-stage pump. Multi-stage pump or centrifugal pump. Multi-stage centrifugal pump. Okay. The diameter of each impeller required, the diameter D2 of each impeller required to pump 6 metric cube per second. To pump 6 metric cube per second. Reading the problem is very important. 6 metric cube per second of water to the height of 220 meters. To the height of 220 meters. 220 meters. Running at a speed of 1500 RPM. Running at a speed of 1500 RPM. That is revolutions per minute. So we are running out of time. Just write down the given data here. You can ask the question, why we are taking here HE instead of H2? Because this is a total head. Because this is the multi-stage centrifugal pump. The multi-stage centrifugal pump means it is having more number of stages, more number of impellers which is situated on the shaft. H2 stands for what is the head achieved? What is the head achieved by using the single impeller of multi-stage pump? Is that clear? Okay. So we'll meet in the next session because we are about to about to complete the session. Kindly re-log in by using the same credentials. I hope you have copied the data. Please respond. Have you copied the data? Please respond. Yes, please respond, Mr. Adnan.